Hello everyone, welcome to Tasty in Situ. Today we're making groundnut soup, or you could call it peanut butter soup. Prepping the meat, I have 3 different kinds. We'll be using goat meat, pomo, stockfish, and then later on we're going to use some dry fish. I'm getting some hot water going. I always like to have that just in case I need it while I'm cooking. Right here I'm prepping my onions. I'm going to be putting the onions, salt and Maggi into the meat that is being cooked. Now I have to cook and sauce this meat properly, because however you sauce your meat ends up telling at the end of what your soup tastes like. So you have to make sure that you sauce the meat properly, because it results in the outcome of the soup. Right now I am about to pound my habanero pepper. The habanero pepper packs a punch. It's very hot, and so a little goes a long way. For this soup, I'm just going to use just that one. The heat lies in the seeds of the pepper. So if you take out some of the seeds, it might be a little bit less spicy and not as hot as when all the seeds are in there. But for the most part, the habanero pepper is very, very spicy. I'm mixing everything in right now, and then you get to see everything being cooked. This is the peanut butter I am using. Yes, the one we use for PB&J. I'm using the roasted one and the smooth paste. My mom is a tough critic of food, but she ate this one. She ate the peanut butter soup with this one, and she totally enjoyed it. She gave it an A+. It was very exciting to see. And so let's do a quick rundown on the ingredients we're going to use. Here is salt, hot leaf pepper, we have bitter leaf, we have some knorr cubes, we have the peanut butter paste, we have dry fish, we have crayfish, and lastly we have palm oil. If you like the content of this video, if you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss an upload. Here we love likes and shares, and you could drop a comment if you want to. We're just glad you're here. Thank you for joining us. I'm going in with half a cup of palm oil, 1 cup dry fish, and a 1/3 cup of crayfish. All of this brings the soup together with a good mix. Quick tip, the peanut butter contains salt, so you might want to go easy on your overall use of salt. And here is the peanut butter paste. Every time your soup or your food seems to be cooking too quickly or about to burn, just turn down the heat a little bit and you'll be fine. So right now you are mushing in the paste and smoothing it out, and it serves as a thickener. After some time it begins to look like this. Here I'm adding the bitter leaf, the dry bitter leaf, and the hot leaf pepper. This is a dry bitter leaf. It's a plant, it's bitter, it's medicinal, it grows like a shrub. You rinse it out, wash it real good, get out all the bitterness, dry it, and then we're able to put it in a soup like this and enjoy it. The peanut butter soup is somewhat rare but still popular. And at about this time, when you see the oil begin to bubble to the top, your soup is about ready. And here we go. The peanut butter is served with pounded yam. and it's a delight to eat. Enjoy!
It's nice, very nice. Groundnut soup, very tasty. I love it.